Along down there, over here, across the street, and down there. Now, because the first pen on this side is down behind that carb of that tree. The thing is, right here, the road gets higher. So it comes down, and then right here the road gets higher, so the water dams behind it until it gets high enough to go over this high spot, and it'll go down that way. But until then, it dams up and goes across. So there's that vent, drain, and one right down there. They were all plugged with leaves. And the water was, yeah, the water was like probably up to here. One severe lack of vents. You know, all the way from Sherman down to here and drain the whole that area. That's insane. And these covers, get some better covers than these. These things plug way too easy. Way too easy. See, the water goes over like that, just go over, and these get matted down on top of it. So I don't know, we're draining water from that way until it got enough. I got so that it was enough for that to happen.